The 2005 Chevrolet Silverado uses a basic remote keyless entry system operating on a 314 MHz radio frequency. This system allows you to lock, unlock, and sometimes activate the panic alarm remotely. Key fobs pair with the vehicle's body control module, which manages the system's electronics. Programming involves entering a specific sequence to sync the fob's unique code with the BCM. You can program up to 4 fobs per vehicle. You'll need a working key fob, either original or aftermarket, along with the ignition key. Optionally, use a diagnostic tool for troubleshooting. Ensure your replacement fob is GM compatible. Part numbers like 150-33555 are a good start. Incorrect programming can trigger the anti-theft system, potentially requiring a dealer reset. Many fobs include a transponder chip that synchronizes with the ignition switch for a mobilizer bypass. Start by cycling the ignition key to enter programming mode. Turn the key from off to run, then back to off, and repeat this sequence 3 times. Within a 30-second window after the last ignition cycle, press the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously. A successful programming is indicated by the door locks cycling automatically. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it works. If programming fails, repeat the procedure with precise timing. Check the fob battery and ensure the BCM is functioning. Optional tools like OBD2 scanners or universal programmers from brands like Autel or Launch can reprogram fobs wirelessly. Use a multimeter to verify BCM voltage and avoid damage. DIY programming saves $50 to $100 compared to dealer service.